Good morning, children. How are you? Yes, good. I have seen all your test papers and I have corrected and sent you, isn't it? I am so happy that many all have understood your lessons and you have answered. Only for the I have asked you some questions from inside the poem and inside the lesson. You are confused with that, isn't it? What does the teacher look like? Your teacher will be looking like your mom or grand. And the next thing is, in the fill in the blanks, I have asked the pet of the child is puppy. Okay. All have written giraffe, dog. You have to write the correct word from the poem. Okay. The pet of the child is puppy. Okay. Now we will go for the new chapter of this next chapter. What is this? Unit 2. We will go for the Unit 1 we have completed. Now we will go for Unit 2. In that first one is the poem to I am lucky. What is the poem name? I am lucky. So before we enter into the poem, we will see the new words of this poem. Shall we see the new words of this poem? Yes. Yeah, the first new word is lucky. What is the name is lucky, isn't it? What is the first new word? Lucky. What is the spelling? L-U-C-K-Y. This is the lucky. What is the meaning of lucky? Blessed. What is the meaning of lucky? Blessed. That means all the graces from God is filled with you. That is the meaning for lucky, that you are blessed. The second one is sea. What is the meaning of sea? A large water bodies, we call it as a sea. You all have gone for Marina Beach. There you can see the sea, isn't it? So here is the meaning of sea is a large water bodies. That means a plenty of waters, that is uncountable, unmeasurable things of water, that we call it as a sea. Next we go for wriggle. What is the spelling for wriggle? W-R-I-G-G-L-E. What is it? W-R-I-G-G-L-E. What is the meaning of that? To move slowly. Moving so slowly. That we call it as a wriggle. Next we will go for giggle. What is it? Giggle. We can go for the spelling. G-I-G-G-L-E. G-I-G-G-L-E. That is a large sound. That means we can say it as to laugh loudly. How we will laugh? Loudly. That is the meaning for giggle. Next, the fifth one is glee. G-L-E-E. Glee. Glee means happiness. What is it? Happiness, or we can say it as an enjoyment. When you are too much exciting, that enjoying, that happiness moment, that moment we can say it as a glee. Yes, children, now we will go for the poem. First I will sing the poem. You listen to it, then you come along with me. Then we will go for the explanation of this poem. Okay, the first. If I were a butterfly, I would be thankful for my wings. If I were a butterfly, I would be thankful for my wings. Next, if I were a myna in a tree, I would be thankful that I could sing. If I were a myna in a tree, I would be thankful that I could sing. If I were a fish in the sea, I would be thankful that I can wriggle and giggle with glee. If I were a fish in the sea, I would be thankful that I can wriggle and giggle with glee. So I just think I'm lucky to be me, not you, but me. The next, if I were an elephant, I would be thankful that I can raise my trunk. thankful for my 8 arms. So I just think I am lucky to be me, not you, but me. What do you think you want to be? Do you want to be like me or just you? Just you. If I were a butterfly, I would be thankful for my wings. So butterfly. So see the picture butterfly and it has a colorful wings. So what is the nature of the butterfly? It can fly with the colorful wings. So the butterfly is saying thankful to God that you have given the colorful wings to fly. Next we will go for second one. If I were a myna in a tree, I would be thankful that I could sing. So see, this is myna. What is the speciality of the myna? It can sing. So the myna is saying thankful to God for giving me the sweet voice to sing. So what the butterfly is having can fly and it has colorful wings. The myna has a sweet voice to sing. Next, if I were a fish in the sea, I would be thankful that I can wriggle and giggle with glee. See, fish. So this is the fish. Where the fish lives? The fish lives in the sea. It swims in the sea. And the fish is saying that thankful for giving that I can wriggle and giggle with glee. So the fish is always enjoying with wriggle and giggle. What is the meaning of a wriggle? I have already told you, no, isn't it? Wriggle means what? That was to move slowly. And the next, so the fish will move slowly. Next is giggle, to laugh loudly. So the fish will move slowly and laugh loudly. That is wriggle and giggle with glee. What is glee? Glee means enjoyment. That is happiness with enjoyment. So I just think I'm lucky to be me, not you, but me. So the girl is saying that I am so lucky to be myself. I won't be like you. What the God has given to you, you should be happy. I am so satisfied and happy that I am so lucky. Next, we will go for the next thing. If I were an elephant, I would be thankful that I can raise my trunk. So see this is the elephant. See the trunk. So this part is the trunk part. See the elephant can rise the trunk up. So the elephant is so thankful to say that I have a long trunk. Next, if I were a kangaroo, I would try to hop right up to the moon. So see the pic, this is kangaroo, isn't it? Yeah. So what the kangaroo can do? It can hop. Hop means I told you, isn't it? Hop means a small jump. So it can hop a small jump and it is saying that I can reach up to the moon. Next, hop. I told. Next is the see there in the picture the kangaroo as a child is there. Next, if I were an octopus, I would be thankful for my 8 arms. So this is the octopus. Now shall we count the arms? See here how many arms are there. We will count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So totally how many arms are there? 8 arms are there. So this octopus is thankful to be having the 8 arms. The next we will see. So I just think I am lucky to be me, not you, but me. So what's saying? The before the child, the girl said, isn't it? So she is so satisfied with what she had. What do you think you want to be? Do you want to be like me or just you? So here the girl is asking the reader that you want to be like myself or you want to be like yourself. Okay. Children, do you understand the poem? What are the creatures we have seen? It is butterfly, myna, fish, elephant, kangaroo and octopus. So these are the creatures we have seen in this poem, isn't it? And you have seen what is the main importance of the each creatures, isn't it? So this was the explanation of the girl that I want to be like these creatures or just like myself. Now we will go you have understood, no? Now can you say what the butterfly can do? The butterfly has wings and it can fly. What does the myna can do? Myna has a sweet voice to sing. Fish can wriggle. Elephant can raise his trunk. Kangaroo can hop. What is the meaning of hop? A small jump. Octopus is speciality of the octopus. It has 8 arms to move. Children, now we will go for the recap of the poem. Just we will recap what we have learned today. So what is the poem name? I am lucky. So this is a poem about the feelings of a child. The child is expressing the feelings that the girl would be like what? The creatures, like these creatures. If I am happy to be like these creatures, I will be thankful to God. And the girl is saying thanks for everything that what the girl has got from the God. And then she is asking at the end of the poem, she is putting a question to the reader. Who is the reader? That you people are the reader. You are reading the poem, isn't it now? So you are the reader. So the girl is asking you the question to you. So you want to be just like me or you want to be just like yourself? And you are satisfied with what you have got from God and how you are living. That's all. This class gets over. I will attach the assignment for you. You can do it and submit. And the classwork of this lesson, this poem, we will see it in the next class. Thank you.